Next is salary calculator. So system is like is a calculator for a salary. So here again we have the input area where we input a data, and this one is this this is a fixed this is where a fixed variable, and now and this is the where the calculation starts, and this area is where the output area is. When we input a name, uh, a name of the employee, here, here, this one, here. After we input, and this input the salary and input the how many hours it takes. We see the overtime equals overtime hour pay. Here, ito, this is the hour pay, overtime hours times overtime. This is the fixed value. Okay. After that, after we after this bunch of this calculation finished, the results the result will be printed with this. So let's try. Let's say the enter employee again, Alvin. Base salary, let's say 100, and overtime hours, let's say is 5 hours. Now we see report salary for Alvin. Basic salary is 100, overtime pay is 150. So let's see, got gross salary is 850 tax. So we see here, you see that. Now we see the here is the we need in the salary, we need the float and the int. For the float, because it is salary, have some decimal points, and the int is for whole numbers. Okay, you see that.